Who really controls the Williams F1 team? A bitter legal battle has put this question center stage. Special report. Allegations of sexism, racism, and expenses fiddling are flying in U.S. courts, drawing in leading figures in motor racing and some famous names in music. But the precise role of Peter Deputrin, a Jersey-based billionaire, is one of the most intriguing subjects. Daniel Kaplan, 3rd May 2026, 1200 BST. Share. On the track, the Williams Formula One team are attempting to revive former glories through their talented driving team of Alex Albon and Carlos Sainz and the team principal, James Vowles. Away from the track, the team and their parent company Dorilton are embroiled in a messy dispute with a former executive, Claudia Schwartz, who was dismissed in 2022. In court filings, she alleges she was fired after raising concerns about sexism towards her and racism, with claims drawing in Lewis Hamilton's foundation and the artists Wyclef Jean and Shaggy. The ultimate ownership of the Williams team is also questioned by the former executive, who makes a hotly contested claim that the team are controlled by Peter Deputrin, a billionaire based in Jersey with close links to the Conservative Party. They in turn accuse the executive of fiddling her expenses, charging inflated fees, and defrauding the company in cahoots with a former CEO of Williams' parent company. Schwartz was fired as Williams' chief marketing officer in November 2022. According to Schwartz, who is sharing her side of the story for the first time with The Guardian, no reason was given for her dismissal at the time. She says she agreed to a severance package shortly after that, which was never fulfilled, and a few months later she sued for breach of contract. In May 2023, a problematic HR dispute went nuclear. Dorilton filed a lawsuit in New York, claiming Schwartz illicitly took $6.9 million in expenses and inflated fees, and that Darren Foltz, CEO of the race team's holding company, looked the other way on the alleged fraud. These were costs such as flight and hotel reservations, and fees she billed Dorilton for services provided by her own agency, Stylus. According to Dorilton's lawsuit, there was an inappropriate relationship between Schwartz and Foltz. Foltz and Schwartz deny these claims, Schwartz arguing he wasn't even her boss at the time. Schwartz also denies the fraud allegations, pointing out the charge emerged only after she sued for breach of contract. A few months after Dorilton sued her, the UK-based Business F1 magazine published a story headlined, "A Vixen Who Infiltrated Williams." She was described in terms more suited to National Enquirer-style scandal sheets.